Good afternoon.
Bonjour.
Oh, bonjour.
Ça va?
Ça va bien, merci.
Well done, Slaw. Well done.
See?
We are well into our holiday in France this year, and the weather has just got hotter and hotter, and it's been absolutely glorious. We've had it up in the late 20s. Today's been early 20s, and it's beautiful. But those of you that follow us that have a motorhome know how hot it can get in your motorhome. I mean, it's a tin box. It's a tin box. We're not too bad with the hobby because it is well insulated, so it does stay fairly cool in the summer and fairly warm in the winter, but still it's so difficult to sleep on a night when it's hot, particularly so for ladies of a certain age as well. But you've found it as well, haven't you, Slaw? Sometimes when we're abroad, too hot to sleep.
Yeah.
And you know, we don't have air conditioning in Helga, so it's been wet towels in the past laid over us. But this year we have been really pleased to have been sent an EvaPolar evaLIGHT Plus to try. This is it. And oh my goodness, ladies particularly, this is a game changer. So tell us about it, Slaw.
Yeah, it's how it works. It's not an air conditioning machine. It's an air cooler. So basically, it uses water with a fan with evaporation to cool the air that comes out. So it measures the temperature going in and it shows you the temperature coming out. And basically, it's just an air cooler. So it won't chill a room down or anything like that. But it's just a nice cool breeze that comes out of it. We're getting about 8-degree difference, I think, aren't we? Which doesn't sound a lot, but when you've got it on at bedtime, and we just have it on a low setting, drafting across the bed, and it's great. It's
heaven.
Absolutely great.
It really is, and it's a very portable size. Just look, this is the box. It's so portable, it's lightweight, it's easy to move around, it's good looking as well. I mean, you know, we get asked to show a lot of things, and as you well know, we don't show a lot of things.
We don't get involved, do we?
This is a really nice piece of kit. So, particularly in the motorhome. I think you said as well, Slaw, that it cleans the air.
Yeah, the cartridge that goes in, it has a cartridge that goes in that's made of it's volcanic matter, I think, or volcanic rock.
Oh wow!
Some form of that. So it actually filters the air as well as it goes through. So you do have to, depending on use, you do have to change the cartridge. They recommend if you're using it all the time, I think it's every 4 to 5 months. But if you're not using it all the time, obviously, it'll last longer. So yes.
So that'll be great when we've got Billy and Jessie with us and they've been on the beach and they are soggy doggies. That will help get rid of the dog smell as well, I think.
Maybe.
So let's go inside and let's show you this very neat bit of kit.
So this is the unit in question. This is your water cartridge, which just simply slides off. Fits on a little bracket there. Open it up, fill it under the tap, cold water. Doesn't have to be ice cold, you don't need ice in it, just water. Obviously not hot water. Locate it and drop it down. Your power supply is 5 volts. The plug is in the back. Down in that bottom corner. Took me a bit of finding because I don't read the instructions.
That's a typical man thing, isn't it? Come on, girls, that's a typical man thing, that isn't it? Not reading instructions.
I've just got it in on my USB power unit down there, but they do supply a 240 transformer if so desired, which we do use on a night because we have it over on the top over there where the bottles are.
Pointing at the bed.
So the unit's powered up now, so to turn it on, press and hold. and on she comes. She's gone to the setting that I had before, the fan setting. So this is your fan speed. When you initially fill it, the tank will drop quite a bit because it's filling the cartridge. So once it's filled the cartridge, top it back up, and then it'll last a lot longer. We ran it the other night, all through the night, and it was empty in the morning was the cartridge, and it did about 8.5, 9 hours. So that's pretty good. So once you've filled that and you've turned it on, you can adjust your fan speed. This black ring here rotates to adjust your fan speed, and as you can hear and see, it's stepping up to turbo mode. So I'll turn it back down. So it's going in at 25 and it's coming out at 16, so that's a 9-degree difference, which...
And let me tell you, oh my goodness, that makes such a difference when you're in bed. Such a difference, that drop for sleeping. It's absolutely great.
So on the top, if you come in, Mrs Slaw, press it, it brings up a menu. First one is a moon. Oh, press it again when it's on that, and now it's gone into night mode.
So you can see.
And it's turned off the light. So I press that again, and we've knocked the night mode off now, and the lights come back on. So press again. The next one across, so you have to twist to go to each section and then press. Now this is the colour of the lights.
This is so snazzy. We've chosen purple because, you know, I have my lovely flowers at the front of Helga. Just look at this.
Right, so now we're on the palette, the colour palette. So as I turn it, it'll go through different colours.
Just look at this. You can
This is classed as mood lighting.
Mood lighting. You can tailor it though to your van's livery or
Yeah.
your accessories. It's such a neat bit of kit.
So there are your colours.
Can we go back to purple, please, Slaw?
Oh, is that not purple? There.
Thank you very much.
And then press it and it locks it in. Again, press, turn. You've then got brightness of the light. So that's maximum. And it's light now. And again, your next one is the timer, which you can set from a minute to 180, I think it is, to 180. And that timer is if you just wanted to run it and then it shuts off. So we put that back down because we don't. We want it to stay running. And the last one is the thermostat, where you can have it on centigrade or Fahrenheit. And we want it on centigrade because we like centigrade. So press it, lock it in. So there, basically you have it. That actually is a sample that comes with it to show you what the cartridge is. And it is made, I'm not going to read all this leaflet, it tells you about it in here. It is formed from organic lava itself. So this unit humidifies the air as well. It also purifies it, as we said earlier.
To the dogs,
so it does filter it, purifies. I don't know whether it gets rid of dog smells, but it's energy efficient.
Or Slaw smells.
Or my smells. It's energy efficient. It only consumes 10 watts. So it is, you can run it off a power bank or off a computer, which I will show you. That's the power supply to the unit. Plug it in. Let's fire it up now. And there we go. We're up and running. So 5 volts is what it needs, 2 amp supply. So it's very little. You could run it off a you know, a little power pack, i.e. don't know how long it'd run off, depends on the size of your power pack. But so you've got your 240, you've got your 5 volts. I like it. I do like it. So EvaPolar, you can extend the warranty to from 12 months to 18 months by using the leaflet enclosed, and also 50% discount on a cartridge. One thing I haven't shown you is that the outlet, there is an adjustable, it's like an old 1980s car heater vent, so you've got so you can direct it down or up or wherever. It's been great for us, hasn't it, the last few days, and we'll be doing it again tonight. Verdict.
Oh wow. We get offered loads of stuff, and I mean loads, probably half a dozen emails a week offering us things, and you know we don't show a lot of products.
No.
But when Slaw showed me this one and I felt the benefits of it on this hot holiday, wow.
I'll be honest, I didn't know if it would work, but they asked if we would try it, and I said yep, fine, send it and we'll try it, and if it's any good we'll tell people.
And we're telling you.
And we're telling you.
We are telling you.
You know,
it's a game changer. It's a game changer for being in the motorhome. You know, how would you guys use it? You know, I can see it being used in the motorhome, at work, in your office, in your bedroom at home, when you're watching TV. I can see it being used loads. I don't know how you guys would use it. So we've got a brilliant discount for you. Have a look at the link in the description, and if you use our code then you will get a massive 20% off, and that does make it very affordable. Yeah. So do check out EvaPolar. They've got lots of other products as well. Use our code, take advantage of that, and ladies, this is an absolute game changer for the motorhome. It really is. Hope you've enjoyed our little review of EvaPolar. I have absolutely loved showing you this.
Do you love it?
I do.
You do? Yeah.
I do.
No, it is. It's a really good piece of kit, and there are different models available.
As I have just said.
As she's just said. Check out the site.
Have a look at their website. Do use our 20% discount, and do let us know how you get on with it as well. Please let us know. I love it when people come back to us. We know that lots of you out there have taken advantage of the air suspension and the Lotus grill. You know, we don't show you a lot, but we show you stuff that we think is really good. And on that note, I think it might be time for a drink, Slaw. Do you?
I think so, yeah. It's past tea time.
Santé.
Santé.